Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Katashi, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to make a stovetop pizza. Yes, you heard me right. A pizza with the pan stovetop. So come over quick now. So now the first thing we're going to be adding to our flour. This is 1.5 cups of flour. The first thing we're going to be adding is half tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and half a tablespoon sugar. And we're just going to give that a nice little whisk. Now we're going to make a little well in the middle of it to pour our water. Remember, all the ingredients will be linked in the description below. So I'm going to pour my water some at a time because I don't want it to be overly sticky. And I'm just going to go in with my hands and I'm going to knead it into a ball. So now it's coming together, but it needs a little bit more water. So we're just going to add a little bit more and continue to knead. And yes, this dough is a bit sticky, but that's how we want it. Just like that. So now I'm going to add some olive oil to it. Then we're going to fold it like this. Just fold it like this. After folding it, we're going to section it into two. So you're going to put your pointing finger and your big finger like this, and your middle finger, and we're going to squeeze. So now we have two. So we're just going to work with the first one first and set the other dough aside. We're going to also sprinkle a little bit more flour on both sides, and we're going to roll again. You can try and get a perfect circle, but it doesn't always have to be a perfect circle. If it's sticking to your rolling pin, just dust your rolling pin with a little bit more flour and continue to roll. So for this pizza recipe, you'll need a non-stick pot, but if you don't have one, just baste the pot with some oil before. So now that our pot is hot, we're just now going to place our pizza dough in the pot. I will be cooking each side for approximately 3 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes on the first side. So it's a total of 6 minutes. Now I'm going to flip this over, and you want the pizza to be a little bit brown. Brown is good, see? It's a little bit brown, so we're going to let the other side cook for 3 minutes. So now it's time to add my pizza sauce. I'm just going to go like this. Remember to keep your stove on medium, low. And you're going to put the sauce all the way to the edge, because I hate a dry crust. Here when we get a pizza and the pizza don't have no, I just peeled dryness at the end of it. So see you like. Now I'm going to go in with my cheese and also be generous with that too. Nobody likes a cheeseless pizza. And now I'm going to go in with my toppings, which is going to be bacon. Sprinkle it all over. And we're going to cover back our pot. So here is our first pizza, all done. And nicely cooked. Look at that cheese ball. There you have it, guys, my stovetop pizza. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to also comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!